Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. And holy moly guys, do y'all see this candle? This bearish looking hammer candle. And no coincidence where we got the strong rejection from. We got this bull flag. Uncle adjusted his bull flag. Okay, I know hopefully some of you guys are happy about my bull flag now. But yeah, we got that 3 touches that I like. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. And we had a breakout of the bull flag yesterday, but PPI data came in this morning and said, what breakout? Just deboed the breakout. Y'all ever seen the movie Friday? PPI data came in and just acted like Debo. What breakout? No breakout, guys. And we got a bearish hammer candle and we closed right at that critical support of 408-ish, guys. Man, inflation is not decreasing steadily. It's not meeting market expectation, guys. So there is some fundamental reasons why we got this bearish candle today. And I wouldn't be surprised if 408 breaks down, okay? But no matter what our sentiment is, we gotta let the price action guide us, okay? The fundamental is bearish, but we need it to align with the price action, okay? Because the money is made in the trading. And today, as always, Uncle's gonna give you the bull case and the bear case and give you the setups so that we can trade this and make some money. Let's prepare. So as far as how I traded today, you guys can see here, we had, SPY popped up and it just dropped back down to the end of the day. But as far as how I traded, was alerted in the group as usual. I got first support at 408 to 408.5 zone with first resistance at 410 to 410.5 zone. Market open here, chopped for a little while, and all we had to do was wait for that breakout. Got that breakout right here around 10:15. Made us wait about 45 minutes before it broke out the first resistance, 410.5, and it gave us a nice level to level move up to 412. That's where I look to take profits. Okay, boom, entered here. Why? Because 410.5 cleared as a resistance on the 15-minute chart. When you enter based on 410.5, you want to set your stop loss around there, the purple area that I got there. Okay, under 410.5 or around 410. Okay, if it closed below it on the 15-minute chart around there in the purple zone, boom, you cut loss. However, it did not happen. Gave us a nice level to level move to 412. Okay, you take once your level get hit, that's where you want to take profits. Don't let greed take over you. Take profits. If you believe there's more upside, that's when you leave a runner. Okay, if you're gonna gamble with with a small position. Okay, after you secured most profits. But as you guys can see here, when we got to the 412 level, we cleared it, broke back down, cleared it. It was just chopping. Bulls just could not hold that 412 breakout. And boom, at the end of the day, we had a false breakout setup. So even if you got chopped up a little bit, around this area, that was around 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, if you respected your stop loss, reset, catch the next setup. Hopefully it was this setup when we broke down 412. Man, this was a beautiful, beautiful move. Hit the next target around 410 to 410.5. So even if you missed this setup, you could have caught the 410.5 breakdown and boom, played it a level down to 408.5. So yeah, easy to say, Uncle, in hindsight, right? But that's why we got we play the setups. We remember our rules. We practice. We remember our training. We stick with it. We do it unbiasedly. Okay. Now, let's get to the daily chart. Okay, we have been consolidating for a couple of weeks now under that 414 level, coming in the form of this bull flag. Last time this happened was mid-December to early January. And when we finally broke the range of that chop phase, it led to a very nice move to the upside, okay? Now, I'm not saying we're gonna go up higher. I'm not saying we're gonna go down. But what I'm saying is, if we can break the range of this chop range, I think we're gonna get a nice one directional move, similar to the one we had in January. Okay. Now I don't know if it's gonna go up or down. We're gonna have to let the price action decide. All right. So I'll start this off with the bull case scenario. Then I'm gonna say the bear case scenario. Okay. The idea behind knowing these setups is to be able to react to them in real time. Okay. So as far as the bull case, gotta stay above 408. Must stay above 408. Okay. You guys can see many times here. You can look at this chart. Look at that orange line. That 408 level was tested many times. If we go on a smaller time frame, you're gonna see the 408 level tested even more times. So it's a very, very critical level for bulls to hold. Okay. Now I'm still watching that December high around 410.5 as one of my levels. So if 408 holds, I would need to see SPY clear 410.5 to put the resistance of the bull flag in play. Okay, the bull flag resistance is now at 411.5. If that can clear, I would favor more upside. Possibly, maybe we go test 414, 413 to 414 zone around there. Okay. But 408 must hold, must clear 410.5, December high, must break out of this bull flag that's now at 411.5. Okay? That's the bull case scenario. Above 414, I would be bullish, and the bulls have failed to secure or clear that level for a couple weeks now. So if they can finally do it, that would be very bullish. All right? Now, that's the bull case scenario. Bear case scenario, guys, we got a strong rejection. No coincidence where it was from at the resistance of the bull flag. Hammer candle. Inflation is not steadily decreasing. So combine that fundamental news with a breakdown of 408, that would be very bearish, guys. I would be bearish below 408. Okay? Next levels I got is at 46.5 to 407. Look at that. Breaking down 408. It got the 20-day moving average around 407.6. It'll probably creep up a little bit higher tomorrow. So I'm still sticking with being bearish below 408. Okay, but watch that 20 daily moving average. I'll be bearish below that as well. Use that as a support. Okay. We got the 405 level. All right. If 405 breaks down, I would favor a test of bull flag support, which is now at 401.7. Okay? A breakdown of 401.7 would be very bearish, because a breakdown of the bull flag puts 400 in play and 398.48 in play. Okay? 398.48 is the 38.2 fib level from all-time high down to October low. So a loss of 398.48 would be extremely bearish for the stock market, for the SPY. Okay, so remember, for tomorrow, bull case scenario must stay above 408, clear 410 and 411.5 to be bullish. Bear case scenario, if SPY is below 408, look for shorting opportunities. Okay, that means look for the next breakdown of support. Look for a false breakout setup. Maybe it'll try to retest 408. Maybe it'll get a strong rejection there. Okay, remember, if we break down a support level and that support level gets tested as resistant and successfully you see sellers stepping up there, that is a sign of a roll change for the level. Okay, so if a support turns to a resistant, that's bearish. If a resistant turns into a support, that's bullish. Okay, QQQ lost a very critical support level. Okay, while SPY is lingering around 408, QQQ lost that 393.8 level. That's a 61.8 fib level from August high down to October low. So that's very bearish. That's a very bearish breakdown in my opinion. I would stay bearish on QQQ as long as below 303.8. Look for the next breakdown at 302, 380. Maybe we'll drop down, at 302, 300. Why did I say 380? Okay, supports at 300 to 298.5 and then 296.6 5ish. Okay, I'm gonna say that one more time. I'm bearish on triple Q as long as below 303.8. Look for the breakdown at 302, 300, 298.5, and this support at 296.5, okay? With 294.5 below. Alright? I will get bullish if triple Q can recapture 303.8. That will give us a false breakdown setup. Okay? Above 303.8, I would favor a test of 305, 307.6, 309, and maybe 310. It's 309 to 310 zone, okay? IWM got a nice rejection from that 193.8-ish level, okay? If bears want to show follow through, they need to break down 191.7 tomorrow to put 190, 188.5, and 187.6 in play. Bulls need to defend 191.7 and clear or recapture that 193.8 level to put 196 and 199 back in play. Okay? Tesla had some amazing trades on Tesla intraday, but ultimately that breakout of 214 did not hold. We got a false breakdown setup on Tesla here. Okay, so I'm favoring more downside. Next support is at 199 right now. Okay, resistance at 203, 206, 210, and 214. Okay, if it can recapture one of those resistance levels, maybe we can get some more upside. All right, play it level to level. All right, especially that 206 level. If it can recapture 206, maybe we get a little bullish on, on Tesla. But as of right now, it's looking bearish with this false breakout setup, okay? To show follow through, I need to see that 199 support level fail. And then maybe we can get more downside. 196.5, drop down to 189, and maybe test 187.5. Below 187.5, I'll ultimately favor a test of 180.5. Okay? Apple lingering at a critical resistant level, guys. It's lingering. Okay, that critical, well, it could not break above that 155 level, but I meant to say it's lingering at support level 153.5. I need to see it break down 153.5 to be bearish. Okay, if it can, I'll favor a test of 150.6, 149, 146.6. It may be a gap fill around 145.3-ish. Okay, bearish below 153.5. I need to see it clear 155 to be bullish. All right. Now DXY is testing that 23.6 fib level at 104.1. Need to see that clear to be more bullish. It had some time to base. Got a little pop today. But we need to see follow through. Clear 104.1, 23.6 fib level. I would favor a test of 105. Maybe we go test 105, okay? Yeah. If it breaks back below 103.4, guys, this little pop we had yesterday would be for nothing. We could get a false breakout setup. So bears below 103.5. But I need to see 104.1, 23.6 fib level clear to trigger more upside. VIX, we got a false breakdown setup, okay? From false breakout to false breakdown, okay? It's battling and it's pushing back above that orange trend line, okay? So I need to see it go test 21.2 and clear 21.2 to be more bullish, okay? Back below 18.7 would be bearish for the VIX. Now let's end this with the option flow. 78% for inputs, all right? This filter for 500K premiums or above. All right, we're still seeing big money betting to the downside. A lot of expiration dates coming in for early March, okay? We do got some of these though. 400 expiration date, strike price expiration dates at March 1st. All right. 400 strike price. That's pretty aggressive. Over 700,000 in premium. This one's 411 strike price. February 16th. This is probably an intraday trade, maybe a day trade. I'm sure they made money. Okay. But yeah, overall, big money is betting to the downside still for the for the SPY. Now for the triple Q, 66% into puts, not as aggressive as the SPY. Contracts aren't really sticking out to me, but we are seeing a lot of puts, guys, for early March. IWM 100% in the puts. All right, and these are all like block orders for end of the year. Okay. Tesla 54% in the puts, 46% in the calls. Yeah, not really sticks out to me, but yeah, it's just pretty mixed right now for Tesla. But yeah, the price action with that false breakout looking bearish for Tesla. Apple 100% in the puts. Okay, it's for late March, 152.5 strike price. And let's look at the VIX, 100% into calls. All right, guys, and there you have it. You guys got my levels. You guys got the setups. If you're bearish, if you're bear bias, play the bearish setups. If you're bull bias, play the bullish setups. Up to you guys. Just hopefully I was able to bring you guys some value. And if you want more value from me, consider joining the Discord. All right? Have a good one. Peace.